Do you know how near future smartphones could look like in 2030? Imagine waking up in 2030 and picking up your smartphone, but something feels different. It is no longer simply a device for calling, texting, taking pictures, and scrolling through social media. It has become your intelligent personal companion. By 2030, smartphones could become far more focused on AI, personalization, connectivity, and seamless integration with other devices. Current industry research already points towards smartphones evolving from standalone hardware into intelligent hubs that connect our digital lives. So, what could the smartphone of 2030 look like? First, AI could become the brain of the smartphone. Instead of opening dozens of apps yourself, you might simply tell your phone what you want. Plan my trip. Find the best restaurant. Reply to these messages. Prepare tomorrow's schedule. Your phone could understand your preferences, context, and routines and help complete tasks for you. Second, the screen could become much more flexible. Foldable and potentially rollable displays could allow a smartphone to transform from a compact device into a much larger workspace. Foldable technology is already moving toward more practical designs, suggesting that the traditional glass rectangle may not remain the only smartphone form. Third, connectivity could become almost invisible. Future smartphones may combine advanced cellular networks with satellite connectivity, allowing communication in places where traditional cellular coverage is unavailable. Research into 6G also envisions more ubiquitous connectivity and closer integration between communication, sensing, and AI. Fourth, your smartphone could become the control center for your entire digital ecosystem. Your car, home, smartwatch, headphones, glasses, and other devices could communicate seamlessly with it. And perhaps the biggest transformation will be this. You may interact with your smartphone less through a screen. Voice, augmented reality, wearables, and ambient AI could allow technology to work around you rather than constantly demanding your attention. So, will the smartphone of 2030 even look like a smartphone? Maybe. Or perhaps a smartphone will gradually disappear into a larger ecosystem of intelligent devices. The future may not be about making smartphones more powerful. It may be about making technology so intelligent, connected, and natural that you barely notice it is there. That could be the real smartphone revolution of 2030.